Army Recognition, the international defense and security magazine, is in Paris, France to cover the international exhibition of safety and security, which takes place during 4 days in Paris, France. Milipol is also an opportunity for the national and international security companies from all over the world to showcase the latest innovation and technology for security and police forces. You can see behind me the company Streit Group is a very known company who has developed a full range of different types of combat vehicles. But to extend its business activity, Streit Group has also developed new security equipment, including robots and also specific drones.
We are Sentinel, that is division under Streit Group, which is a technology sector of the company. Streit Group is a very large company making a lot of armed vehicles, so we bringing all kind of innovation technologies into the company and manufacture everything in the UAE. We have drones, we have anti-drones, interceptors, we have all kind of imaging systems to detect aerial threats. We have like a ground robotics platforms for different applications, and we also introduce a new small electric scooters, UGVs, for our company. It's used for everything for law enforcement, military applications, border security. So this is NUR. NUR is a drone designed to illuminate the large areas for search and rescue application, border security. Police application, as you can see, is very powerful, bright drone. So this is the first time we're actually showing it here in Milipol, exporting the system. Right now they're in mass production and we can start deploying them in the field. So the drone has 82,000 lumens LED power in the bottom, which is very, very powerful. It can illuminate an area for around 25 minutes. They're flying in formation, so you can preset a border and they can jump to that area and illuminate the whole area. And the moment the battery is running low, you can send another one to replace the ones that are running low on energy. We have an interface that you can control everything. This particular one is for the ground vehicles, but we have one that's designed for all our drones and including the helicopter in the back there. They work in formation, so you can fly up to 256 units at a time to cover large areas or sections. So we are making all kinds of tactical robots. We are making all kinds of tactical robots from small police applications to taking EOD bombs to a big one. All of them been in combat situations, combat proven in the US, in Israel, worldwide, in Europe too. We're also doing a new type of scooter platforms, very powerful scooters, all-wheel drives, all-terrain, all kind of applications for airport security, search and rescue, and so on, border protection. I think the uniqueness is Streit Group is a very big company, and we have a lot of capability to manufacture high capacity, high quantity in a low cost. So in high quality, because everything is in UAE, everything has been tested, the facility is very, very large, very, very strict, and everything is combat proven. So we know that everything we're showing, been in the outside, been in the field, we got feedback from the clients, and we make sure that everything is bulletproof. Come see our new technology section. We have like a different kind of solution from a ground to air to optics, jamming systems, spoofing systems. We're a little bit all over. Very interesting stuff. You can test drive the system, see how everything works. We're more than happy to show you the stuff.
Hi, my name is Sally Stafova-Valiant. I'm the Vice President for Sales and Marketing for IAG. We're honored to be here at Milipol today and presenting one of our new products, which I'll talk about in a little bit later, and also the latest in law enforcement, SWAT category, military police. We've got a different vehicle range that we are presenting here today, and also there's more options that we have available, which obviously we weren't able to bring to the event. The vehicle that you see behind me is the IAG Light Reconnaissance vehicle. It is made to transport troops in a quick, rapid deployment. It's got extreme maneuverability, high off-road capability. The variant that you see behind me is not equipped with ballistic protection, so there's different variants. Typically, in the light version category, you see it as is without ballistic protection, but you can add on ballistic kits to take the level of protection into the doors, add the glass. The vehicle has multiple options, 8 gunner seats. It's got ammunition boxes, gun mounts for rapid deployment on the sides. It could be equipped with gun mounts and turrets as well if necessary. Fire suppression systems, PA systems, anything to make the mission basically just quick, rapid, in and out, high maneuverability, off-road capability, as I mentioned. Special Forces, absolutely, as well as Border Patrol. So there's different configurations on types of options depending on the end user, but typically our target market is, as you said, Special Forces and Border Patrol. So the vehicle actually is available in both left-hand drive and right-hand drive variants, and it comes equipped either with automatic or manual transmission. Currently, it's got two engine options, a 2.8 liter turbo diesel or a 4.2 liter diesel engine. It also comes in petrol, but typically that is not really a desired option because most of these end users need the torque of a diesel engine. And the fact that it's got automatic transmission is an added bonus because a lot of these types of vehicles typically do not have the automatic. They're typically in manual. We're constantly evolving, not only from the design of the armor, but as you mentioned, from the level of protection and the level of threats. In certain theaters, blast is a bigger concern where we would offer a certain type of vehicle with certain level of protection. In other areas, they could have more ballistic threats, some places armor-piercing rounds. So our product range is very diverse and broad, where we can meet different demands with different options to allow the end users, whether it's SWAT, Special Forces, military police, we have different solutions for their needs. Our message is always the same. I've said that before, and it's before you choose your supplier and your vehicle of choice, do your homework. Don't buy vehicles based on paperwork only. Request to have them test driven. We've done that for a lot of customers where they can either come to our facility and do test drives, see how the vehicles are being made and the level of know-how and engineering that goes into each product. Or we also have the options to ship it to the end user at the destination where they get to test it in their own obstacles in theater. And another thing that IAG is really good at is we listen to customer feedback. So if there's something in the design that doesn't make sense for their applications, we always have the option to adapt, change it to make it suitable for the mission.
DNA of Optix is that we produce everything in-house, starting from the scratch, so from the drawings of the optical, mechanical, electronical components, moving to the assembly of the ready solutions, thermal, night vision, and other integrated system solutions, up to the final testing in our accredited laboratory. Currently, Optix is more than 550 people included in the production. What we have presented today is our multi-sensor systems series, starting with our so-called Goliath system, uncooled multi-sensor system. The one that we have presented here is fast deployable one, so portable, placed on a tripod with the workstation. Why we're so unique? As I started, we're an EU producer based in Bulgaria. The whole production is placed in-house. All these 550 people are responsible for the solutions that we're bringing out on the market. We have no ITAR regulations. Out of the technical side, why we're unique, as I already mentioned, we're combining different sensoric into these multi-sensors. What we have here is uncooled thermal camera, day camera, laser rangefinder, and the panoramic 360 device. All these are produced in Bulgaria. They go, of course, together with our software for the operation of the whole system. What we have is an other solution, again, fast deployable, portable solution, just a thermal camera with a control panel again, being used with different vehicles for fast installation and usage. Okay, so speaking about handheld devices, we have our focus today on the thermals and night visions. We have brought to the show our newest identifier. It's an uncooled thermal imaging binocular. We have an uncooled channel, we have digital compass, we have GPS, we have Wi-Fi, and we have the laser rangefinder. As features, we have also target walking feature, of course, video recording, picture recording, live video streaming, and as a unique feature of the identifier, we can point out the remote operation. So not just having the video, but totally operating within the menu of the device throughout laptop, tablet, whatever it is, via the Wi-Fi. The other quite unique project that we have here today is the PAGAT. This is the thermal imaging standalone sight for RPG-7. It's specially designed for the users with RPGs, having all the needed reticles inside, so the operator can choose the different ballistics of the ammunition that they're using. We have also present our newest thermal imaging standalone scope, 12 micron 640 by 480 resolution. We also have our sniper thermal imaging clip-on being used with magnification of today's scope up to 16, 18 times magnification, specially designed again for sniper usages. So if you're interested in our products, you can always contact us. You can get to our website, optix.com, so you can find more information on our solutions and more information. You can find also our contacts there. The company is based in Bulgaria, so you can get into our website and look for our contacts there, plus additional information on the solutions that we have at the moment.
So my name is François Legras. I'm working as a program lead for the Smart Protector project and product that we are launching today at Milipol. The Smart Protector system is basically a less lethal launcher where we have improved the safety by using a camera-based solution to detect human heads in the field of view of the camera to prevent headshot. So the user is warned by the signals, so light signals, but in its direct view optics, but also a tone that the user can hear, and the trigger is also blocked by the system, so to prevent the headshot and severe injuries. Basically, we have started from the FN303 tactical launcher, and we have integrated a lot of electronics inside, so embedded software and also electronics, so sensors, actuators, and the smart camera. So that make it very similar to the FN303 tactical, but in reality there are major changes. So it's not possible to, I would say, upgrade it a regular 303 tactical with this assistive system. You know, when severe injuries occur, it's most of the time due to a less lethal kinetic launcher, and it is considered as a failure by the people in general. So what we try to avoid here is bad and severe damage to the heads. So I think if the benefits make sense for the law enforcement agency, I think it's a great deal. So basically the smart elements is the FN Victor camera product that you can see on the top. So we have attached it to the barrels, and that camera does edge processing. So that means that every image at very low latency is analyzed, and once analyzed, it sends the signals. If a head its location is coincide with the point of aim, then the signal is sent to the actuators, and the actuators mechanically block the trigger. So the feedback of the shooter is my trigger is blocked. So I need to reset the trigger, take another position, and pull the trigger again. So here we can record audio and video of every shot. So if a shot is taken, the camera is recording the events. So you can have the command from the officer, hear that, and review the point of aim, where it was located the point of aim, and what happens during the events. So for I would say lawsuit and juridical work, you have a lot of data to exploit. So the use is mainly for social disturbance, and also safety, general security for law enforcement and also military forces. So you can use to push back peoples or again stop the action of people doing trading somebody else.